Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today we're having a look at Claude AI. We're going to compare their pro version to their free version and see if the pro version is actually worth the money that you're paying or if you should just stick with the free version. So let's dive in. Alright, jumping into Claude now, their free version versus their pro version, we want to know what it is that you would be using. So, you can experience cutting-edge AI technology without spending a dime. Now, that is, of course, common knowledge because there's tons of free software out there. But Claude AI, their free version, provides powerful conversational AI capabilities through a very intuitive web and mobile application. It does make advanced artificial intelligence accessible to everyone. Let's have a look a little bit more as to what they offer in their free package. So, of course, it's completely free. You get access to Claude AI via the web browser or your mobile app with no hidden fees or trial limitations. You get a daily message allowance though, so 50 messages per day resetting at midnight, which is Pacific time, providing substantial interaction capacity for personal use. It is also powered by the Claude 3 Haiku, which is optimized for lightning-fast responses while maintaining reliable AI reasoning capabilities. Claude AI's free core features and their usage includes versatile conversations, text analysis, and basic task assistance. This means it handles simple organizational tasks like calendar lookups, basic search, and information retrievals. Claude AI free offers essential AI capabilities with limited file upload functionality for simple document interactions. This must be considered. If you are using file uploads, then maybe the free is not an option for you. Some of their limitations, it's perfect for beginners. If you do need something a little bit more advanced or a little bit more usage, as I mentioned, the file upload, maybe it's not a good option for you. You also need to consider that you have access to community forums for assistance, but there's no direct customer service or priority support. And also during peak usage times, as a free user, you may experience slower response times as the system prioritizes paid subscribers. Let's have a look now at Claude AI's Pro version. So, first off the bat, the cost. It's $20 a month. It's very competitive if you're having a look at other AI tools, but compared to their free version, what are you actually getting for that $20? So you get 5 times increased capacity and you get a selection of 3 models. So you get access to all 3 Claude models, including the powerful Sonnet, the Opus, and this is for reasoning tasks. Claude AI's Pro transforms AI experience with virtually unlimited daily messages and access to the most sophisticated AI models that are available to us. You can choose between Claude 3 Haiku for speed, Sonnet for balance and performance, or Opus for the most complex analytical tasks. Let's have a look at a little bit more. So their advanced features and their benefits. You get full model complexity, and then you are able to switch between your AI models to optimize for speed or complex reasoning, depending obviously on your needs. You get priority access, so you guaranteed fast response times. It is an ad-free experience, and then there are platform integrations. So if you are using other tools, you can put them all into one space. Let's have a look now if it's designed for power users. Yes, it is. So first of all, you get professional grade. It's for professionals, developers, and businesses requiring high volume AI interactions with enterprise reliability. You get that premium support. You get early access for all of the new features, capabilities, or whatever else is coming out, and then enterprise security, which the free version does not have. So it has a SOC 2 compliance and robust data encryption protecting your sensitive business information. And if you are a business with sensitive information, this might actually be the game changer for you. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, there we go. What an epic battle. Now, if you found this video enjoyable, you can go ahead and hit the like down below. You can also subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, and we will see you next time.